Hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from the United States. This is a box from exoticnoods.com. You can head over there and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider to get yourself a discount. Yeah, they've got monthly subscription boxes with all sorts of stuff from around the world. So let's crack this sucker open, see what's inside. Okay. All right, and upon opening one of these boxes, the first thing you'll see is the Features of the Month pamphlet. And here there's information about all the things that you'll get in this box and a little bit of a newsletter. Very cool. So I'm going to go through each thing and tell you a little bit about it. First off, from Thailand, we've got some fashion food noodles. These are a mushroom flavor one. I'm not incredibly, well, let's see, mushroom flavor vegetarian instant noodle. If you like vegetarian, you might like this a lot. And if you like mushrooms, you might like this a lot. If you don't like mushrooms like me, but you know, I'll give it a try. Another one from Thailand. This is Mama with their artificial pork flavor. Yeah, this is a really popular variety in Thailand. It's quite good, and yeah, if you like pork, you should like this one. It's different. The noodles are a little more crumbly, which is kind of indicative of the way Thai noodles are, but yeah, I think you'll like it. And here's a Korean-styled variety that's actually made here in the United States. This is Nongshim with their Ansung Tangmyeon. So I don't know what that means, but generally when I've had this one in the past, it's been good. It's been a long time, so it'll get a new review. I think I haven't had this in like 8 years. It's a nice meal noodle style variety, so yeah. And then here's one from Aussie brand. This is their hot and spicy rice noodle. Yeah, and I think there's a grocery store called Aussie. I'm not sure. It might. I mean, I'm guessing it's not Assy or. I don't know, but these generally are, yeah, it's a Korean style rice noodle soup bowl. This should be good. And another one from South Korea. This is Paldo's jjajangmyeon, or jjajangmyeon. Yeah, anyways. It's a black bean paste noodle. It's good stuff. As far as all the jjajang go, I've always felt that the Paldo stuff is pretty good because there's a nice retort pouch that has a lot of good stuff going on inside. So yeah, worth checking out. And this one might throw you for a loop. This is another one from Paldo. Generally, the stuff from South Korea is a little bit spicy. That last one is not spicy, and nor is this. This is premium gomtangmyeon. So gomtang is the flavor, and gom I believe is beef, tang is soup, and myeon is noodle. I think I'm right. But generally it's kind of like you got like creamy chicken instant noodle. This is more of a creamy beef. So this is very good stuff. You'll love it. Next up, we've got one from Kylo brand. This is their chicken flavor, and I'm going to tell you right now, their stuff tends to be really good. I haven't had any of it in a long time. Yeah, I reviewed these way back, but the packaging's a little different, so that might get me to do a new one. The noodle's good, the flavor's good, it's chicken. And finally, rounding out the set for those of you who like it hot, this is the tomato paste flavor bulldog. Not the spiciest of all the bulldogs, that's for sure, but one of the tastiest ones. This has a really nice tanginess to it. It's really tasty. I love this one. I think this is like one of my absolute favorites. There's so many different varieties of bulldog now that it's just kind of nuts. So yeah, very nice inclusion to round out the set. And so in this, the August box from Exotic Noods, you get creamy beef, Thai mushroom, Ansung Tangmyeon, tomato paste bulldog bokomyeon, jjajangmyeon, hot and spicy rice noodle, chicken noodle, pork flavor, and your informative pamphlet. Wow, that's a really nice selection this month. Thanks to the folks over at Exotic Noods for shooting this over. Yeah, if you want to get one, head over to exoticnoods.com and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider and get yourself a discount. You'll be glad you did, and you'll get to try a bunch of neat noodles you may have never tried before. So with that, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye.